Hey look, another tractor strode up today, or yesterday. This is a 1055. The dash is like a C series, a later model. So that's not quite original. And a keen eye would see that there's a double pulley small block 7-horse from a 701. And I've got the guard that came with it. Pretty decent seat, dirty, but it's decent. Nice set of 612 silver towns. The fronts aren't so cool, they're a little beat up, but I mainly picked it up as a donor. I've got a 552 that needs an engine, and that'd be a nice engine for that. And we'll see what else comes of it. Maybe I'd stick a big block back in it, find the right size dash with the push-pull cables, and bring it back to original. But that's a nice little tractor. I also got with it a few other things. Sorry about the wind again. I got this set of 612 Ags and they're pretty cool rims. Looks like they were painted up pretty nice at one point. Two-tone, black and silver. So if I ever put them on anything, I'm thinking maybe one of the RJ58s. That'd be pretty cool. But I'll probably use that paint scheme if I can get them cleaned up. This was supposedly a 701 chassis. I have no way to prove that, and it looks like it's been beat up pretty bad. The battery box was cut off. It's got some adapter put on for an engine, a different engine. The dash tower, the serial number is scratched off, so I have no idea. But I basically picked it up with that other tractor just for the tires. He said that he wouldn't let the tires go unless this went with it. And another set of good tires and wheels, huh? Maybe that'll be my lawn art set of tires there. And the seat, the spring, and these plows. So this plow measures like 9 inches. It's definitely not as big as my 10-inch plows. So I'm pretty sure, other than the drawbar needing work, I'm thinking maybe I'll stick this behind the round hood. Maybe Putt-Putt pulls a 10-inch plow, but he struggles a little bit. So this would work pretty good for that. And this little plow came with it too. And it must be like a 6-inch, I'm guessing. And it's got a pretty cool cast iron, whatever they call that, frog or landslide. But the drawbar's been cut off that and an adapter made. But that would be pretty cool to pull with one of the RJs. So they both need a different drawbar. And my little monkey over there is making noise. But those would be pretty cool to stick behind the tractor and go plowing. I'm excited to have a smaller one. I like the 10-inch plows. They do a great job with those big tractors. But honestly, I think it's just a little bit too much for Putt-Putt. So this is going to work out pretty good. So I think that's all I got. I'm pretty sure I've unloaded everything. And that's Happy Memorial Day, y'all. Thanks for serving and protecting our country. I'm pretty happy to have some more American-made